G'day, I'm Aussie Mark. Thanks for stopping by this video today. The other day I was watching YouTube, as I do, as we all do, and came across a video where somebody had used a drone as a takeoff platform for another drone, and I thought, I gotta try that. Now, you're not allowed to fly two drones by yourself, so I've got a mate with me, but he doesn't want to be on screen, unfortunately, so we're going to try it. So we're going to use the Phantom as the platform for takeoff, and the drone we're going to take off from it is the little Syma X21. Now, if I try to just sit that on there, it's likely to get hit by the props. I didn't want to risk that. So what I've done is I've made this little container that fits the drone, the Syma, in it. And then what I'm going to do from there is I've got a little cup that I've secured into the container with some elastic bands. You've seen me use these before. And we're going to stretch the elastic bands over the Phantom arms, that way and this way. There we go. So now I can pop the Syma in and take off from there, hopefully, and still have my prop spinning without too much drama. So the first thing that we want to do is test that the actual container that's going to hold the little one is secured and able to, the Phantom's able to fly with it. So let's try that. Ready? Well, that seems to work. Okay, that's pretty good. And then the next thing to test is whether the actual little drone can take off from the big drone. So that's very easily done. This little Syma, as you can see there, has got a auto takeoff button. Watch. There you go. Took off without any dramas. So you ready, Joe? I'm ready to take off again, eh? Okay, last time. Ready? Take off. So there you go, you can take a drone off from a drone. Wow, who knew? Thanks so much for watching, and thanks to my mate Joe, appreciate it, bud. Wasn't that hard after all. Signals don't clash, just be careful that you and your mate don't clash into each other. Okay, that's me, Aussie Mark, and I'm out for another video. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do so. Give me a thumbs up would be awesome, and a little comment, so it'll give me encouragement to keep making drone videos for you. Thanks, bye for now.